Hello, everyone, and welcome to .next 2026 from beautiful, windy Chicago. I'm Mandy Dhaliwal, Chief Marketing Officer of Nutanix. We've just wrapped up day one, and wow, what a first day. I want to walk you through what we announced today and what it means for you. During the opening day keynote, our CEO, Rajiv Ramaswamy, made some big announcements to show how Nutanix helps you innovate faster with Agentic AI, modernize with VMs and containers, and run better anywhere at scale. And it all starts with the new capabilities of the Nutanix Cloud Platform.
We are bringing together a cloud operating model to these AI factories, enabling you to deploy your AI applications in a turnkey fashion with the security, control, governance, with the automation for your operations. Deliver the best utilization and performance so that you can drive down your cost per token and have a complete AI stack for your agentic AI applications.
So here's the reality. Organizations today need one unified experience to run apps, data, and AI anywhere at any scale. And that's exactly what we've doubled down on today. Let me break down what we announced because there's a lot here. First, we're accelerating how organizations innovate faster. Building on the Nutanix Agentic AI announcement that we made at NVIDIA GTC, we're now providing a cloud operating model to run AI factories. We've unified the AI software stack to empower enterprises and neoclouds to deliver Agentic AI, allowing you to spend less time managing the complex needs of your AI infrastructure and more time focused on innovation. Bottom line, we're operationalizing AI at scale. We're also helping you modernize by providing one experience for VMs and containers on one platform. Today, we announced NKP Metal with integrated storage and lifecycle management. We are now the only company that offers consistent management, security, and data services for containers running on native, on bare metal, or native on virtualization. It's a terrific example of our commitment to delivering a single experience across VMs, containers, and AI. This is what modernization looks like in 2026, and it's exciting to see how Nutanix is helping customers update to a cloud-native future.
Yeah, so today we're leaning into that platform. We started simple, and we have the web servers running on AHV. As that website grew, we moved into unified storage for our media. And when we wanted to run an open source database like Postgres, we looked at NDB to help us manage that. The developers wanted to break down the monolith. Kubernetes was the natural choice. So we looked at Nutanix. We found NKP to be that solution.
That's the kind of flexibility every organization needs to move forward. And finally, let's talk about how we help you run better. The highlight here is an expanded partnership ecosystem. Nutanix is expanding support for more applications by bringing apps like Cisco Unified Communications and Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop to AHV. And in external storage, the biggest news here is our NetApp announcement. We're partnering with one of the most trusted names in storage to help you manage both supply chain and VMware risks. This builds on the partnerships we already have with other storage vendors like Dell and Everpure.
Everpure, in our mind, was just another option that Nutanix was bringing to the table and allowed us to consider even more workloads that we were able to migrate. On top of that, the Everpure team has been a great partner there. It's been a really successful three-way partnership, and we are seeing some great results. We've migrated all of our non-production between, I think we got the hardware sometime in December. I think we might have been the first one to order it. I'm not sure.
You're very early. We're not the first, yeah.
Very early there. And I think the team told me last night at dinner that within a day they had it running, had migrations going, and we migrated our first production workload over the weekends.
That's exactly what we mean by running better, giving you the flexibility for supply constraints, a clear path off of Broadcom, and a foundation for AI. What an incredible day one. It's hard to believe we packed all that goodness into our keynote. Tomorrow, during the technical keynote, we will show you how these announcements will all work in action. Plus, Kubernetes pioneer and former Google distinguished engineer, Kelsey Hightower, will join Dan Cerulli, our VP and GM of Cloud Native, for an engaging chat. And closing out .next, is none other than YouTube star, educator, and former NASA engineer, Mark Rober. To learn more about all these announcements, I encourage you to check out our blogs and press releases on the Nutanix newsroom. If video is more your style, check out Nutanix YouTube Shorts for complete coverage throughout the event. Plus, we'll have a LinkedIn Live on Wednesday, April 8th, where Nutanix experts Lee Caswell and Eric Selkin react to the announcements from day one. Thanks for joining us for Nutanix.next Day 1.